Soap doesn't kill germs at all. Most people believe that's wrong. Truth sounds stranger than fiction. Soap isn't poisonous to microbes, it tears structures physically apart. Molecule by molecule, grime disappears. Chemistry beats brute force easily. Washing hides fascinating molecular battles. Water alone isn't enough sometimes. Grease resists ordinary rinsing completely. Oil and water naturally separate. Molecules follow invisible physical rules. Soap changes impossible into possible. Tiny molecules perform giant miracles. Science explains everyday cleaning perfectly. Hand washing deserves deeper appreciation today. Soap molecules live double lives. Microscopic teamwork powers every wash. Ancient chemistry still protects humanity. 20 seconds changes everything dramatically. Soap works through physics, not poisonous chemistry. Against everyday dirt and microbes, water molecules strongly attract each other, refusing to mix with oily substances. Oil molecules ignore water completely because their molecular properties fundamentally differ entirely. Most grime covering human hands consists largely of greasy, water-repelling fatty materials everywhere. Rinsing hands using only water removes surprisingly little stubborn grease or contamination effectively. Soap molecules contain two completely opposite ends performing different chemical jobs simultaneously together. One molecular head eagerly bonds with surrounding water during every washing process naturally. The opposite molecular tail actively seeks greasy oils instead of surrounding water molecules. Scientists describe these remarkable molecules as amphiphiles because they love both environments equally. Ancient civilizations discovered soap production thousands of years before understanding molecular science completely. Early soap makers boiled fats together with alkaline ash, creating useful cleaning molecules naturally. This remarkable chemical transformation is scientifically known today as the saponification reaction process. Soap never actually dissolves greasy contamination through direct chemical destruction or elimination alone. Instead, soap surrounds grease using countless microscopic molecules working together with astonishing efficiency. Soap tails burrow deeply inside oily grime while water-loving heads remain facing outward always. Billions of molecules spontaneously organize themselves into tiny spherical structures called micelles instantly. Micelles trap grease securely inside while exposing only water-friendly molecular surfaces to surround. Greasy contamination suddenly becomes compatible with water because soap creates protective molecular disguises perfectly. Scientists call this remarkable process emulsification because oil becomes suspended within surrounding water. Running water easily carries trapped grease away after complete micelle formation finishes successfully together. Hot water helps slightly, but soap performs essential cleaning regardless of high temperatures. Rubbing hands together creates friction that breaks contamination into much smaller greasy fragments. Smaller fragments provide significantly greater surface area for surrounding soap molecules during washing. More exposed surfaces allow micelles to form faster around every contaminating greasy particle. Many dangerous viruses possess fragile outer envelopes built primarily from protective lipid molecules. Soap tails naturally attack those fatty viral envelopes exactly like ordinary cooking grease. Hydrophobic tails wedge themselves inside viral membranes until structural integrity completely collapses apart eventually. Without protective envelopes, viruses lose their ability to infect healthy human cells anymore. Soap physically dismantles viruses instead of poisoning them through toxic chemical reactions alone. Alcohol sanitizers mainly deactivate microbes, while soap removes contamination through washing completely away. This explains widespread recommendations, encouraging regular soap instead of sanitizer whenever possible available. 20 seconds provides enough time for soap molecules completing their microscopic cleaning mission successfully. Washing too quickly interrupts emulsification before contamination becomes fully trapped inside micelles completely. Loosened grease may simply settle back onto skin after incomplete washing efforts again. Scientific research consistently shows longer washing removes substantially greater numbers of harmful microbes. Mechanical scrubbing contributes equally because friction accelerates grease breakup and soap penetration dramatically. Greater surface exposure enables soap molecules reaching contamination from every possible direction simultaneously together. Humans benefited from soap centuries before understanding bacteria, viruses, or infectious disease mechanisms. Soap originally served mainly cleaning laundry, cookware, household surfaces, and occasionally human skin. Doctors once ignored hand washing because invisible microorganisms remained completely unknown to medical science worldwide. Hungarian physician Ignaz Semmelweis noticed maternal deaths decreasing after routine hand-washing practices began. His revolutionary observations faced ridicule despite producing dramatically improved patient survival statistics consistently everywhere. Semmelweis never witnessed society accepting the scientific importance of regular medical hand-washing practices. Later, germ theory finally explained why his observations proved unquestionably accurate and revolutionary. Soap removed invisible disease-causing organisms alongside ordinary dirt through straightforward physical chemistry principles always. Many people mistakenly believe antibacterial soap always cleans significantly better than regular soap. Extensive research demonstrates ordinary soap performs equally well during everyday household hand-washing situations. Generally, added antibacterial chemicals rarely provide meaningful advantages for routine personal hygiene under normal conditions. Warm water feels comfortable without significantly changing soap's remarkable molecular cleaning performance overall today. Extremely hot water may damage protective skin oils without improving cleaning effectiveness whatsoever. Soap should never be described simply as a germ-killing poison because inaccurately oversimplifies reality. Think instead about billions of molecular workers surrounding grease through coordinated microscopic teamwork constantly. Every completed wash represents countless invisible chemical interactions unfolding across your skin surface continuously. Ordinary bars of soap demonstrate extraordinary science hidden beneath familiar daily household routines everywhere. 4,000 years later, soap remains humanity's simplest yet most reliable hygiene technology today. Proper technique combines real soap, comfortable water, thorough scrubbing, and patient 20-second washing consistently. Understanding the science transforms ordinary hand washing into an astonishing molecular story unfolding invisibly daily.